In the 4Vision browser-based application, we have the ability to do live updates to activities within the plant maintenance module. On the left, you'll see the 4Vision application. On the right-hand side is the SAP GUI to a list of operations. So let's filter both lists to one work order. And let's say the tag is 062, and immediately the list gets filtered accordingly. And you can see 062 is in the description in this case, but it could be on any one of the other fields as well. On the SAP side, let's click the short text column, click on the filter icon, and now because the text is partway into the description, we'll have to put a wildcard, an N062 star, and hit the enter key. And now the list is filtered to match the same activities. So let's do a change to the user status first to one of the activities. So let's change this one to 5D, and as soon as I made the change, the update button is now clickable. We click update, and the toaster at the bottom indicates that that change has been made. Let's click the refresh on the SAP side, and you can see the user status has been updated. We can also do multiple activities, and let's change these to 5D as well. Now we can either click update for each activity, or we have an update all button that is going to step through each activity one at a time and make those changes. And clicking refresh on the SAP side, we see those changes have come through. The second way to do updates is through the confirmations, and we have a % bar here, and if I click on 25%, the update now becomes available. Clicking that update, we have the option of also putting in a forecast end date. Let's leave that blank for this moment. And we also have the ability for the technician to enter notes. And on submit, the update is being transferred over to the SAP. You can see the confirmation at the bottom is now at 25%, and the note is populated here within the 4Vision application. So this gives visibility to everyone that pulls this list up as to what the technician is performing or his status. On the SAP side, let's pull up the confirmations list. Click execute in IW47, and you can see the order and the operation 20, which matches the one here. And the way this system is configured is we populate the remaining work versus any actual work. So we're emulating a contractor doing these updates versus an internal tradesman. You could have him or her actually updating the actual work. We can also do multiple updates. So if the technician is at 50% on both of these activities, the update all button is now available. And on clicking update, he can put in text or not. Let's put text on the first one. And we'll execute confirmations on the SAP side again. And now you can see the next two confirmations have come through. So this provides the ability for technicians to keep the system live in terms of the status, % complete, and allows notes to be populated within the system so all the users can see exactly where a specific job is at. And now let's go to the Gantt chart for these activities. You can see graphically where they are scheduled. And you'll also notice in the first two that we have a blue shading here on the first two, indicating that both of those have started, and it's shaded halfway, indicating a 50% completion.